If you're home printing, then doing a test run is a good step to include to make sure you're not wasting ink by printing shots that aren't edited correctly for print. One thing you can do is to create a contact sheet within Lightroom. This has multiple uses that extend past printing too. So if you're sending over a load of selected images to a client in a basic format, then you can do this here too. So a contact sheet is basically multiple smaller versions of your images put onto one page. If you are printing, then this size would be the size of your paper you're printing onto. So to get started with making this, head on over to the print module and make sure the images that you want to test print are already edited and selected in the same folder or collection. If you want to use multiple images from multiple folders, then set up a quick or smart collection for this. Once you have your images and you're in the print module, you can start putting the contact sheet together. Open the Layout Style tab on the right and select Single Image Stroke Contact Sheet. In the next tab, make sure Rotate to Fit is selected. Next is an important step for your image sizes. Go through these sliders individually to give you the results you'd be looking for in a test sheet. When I do this, I like 3 columns and 5 rows, which I feel fit nicely onto an A4 sheet. I also prefer to have some spacing in between each cell to give me a clear view of each individual image. There are other options that you can enable in the rest of the tabs too, such as image name and information, which would be useful for identifying the best or most problematic image for your print. And in the final tab, you can set up the necessary parts for the job to be sent to your printer. I hope you found this little tip useful. For more tips on Lightroom, do make sure you check out the rest of the series with Wex Photo Video.